First time in Cairo?
Been here plenty. Never seen it like this.
News warned you, right?
The Cairo's on the verge of burning.
Has been ever since Pax became Egypt's ally.
Won't be long before this place goes up.
My people have had Pax's boots on their throat long enough.
What happened to the army?
Pax came in to support us. Now, they're the ones calling the shots. Mar.
I can see why people are pissed.
It's a tinderbox. All you need is a spark. You Marsak dudes aren't a spark, are you?
Not our style. We ain't here to make things worse. We got our mission, getting Salim and the intel. In, out, clean.
I admire your confidence.
So this Salim guy's a pretty big deal around here, huh?
He blows smoke up his own ass. Ever since his company became the #1 supplier of biometrics around the globe. We haven't heard the end of it.
It looks like Pax ain't too happy about him either.
You make a deal with the devil.
And now he's our problem.
Explains why Mills put us together.
Salim was in contact a couple weeks back. He knew Pax were closing in, so we brokered some kind of deal.
Of course he did. Everything is transactional with men like that.
Keep a low profile, Dagger.
Guys?
Not our mission, Lopez. Our mission is big picture. Copy that? We get that intel, dominoes start to fall. But for now, it's all we can do. New route?
Plan B, Habibi.
Great.
Straight to the shitty part of the plan.
Why can we never do plan A?
Shooters, dismount.
I'll have eyes on you once the drone is up.
Thanks for the ride, friend.
See you at the evac. Try not to get in any trouble, yes?
You heard the man, no trouble. We infill through the sewer entrance just ahead. Let's move. Hemlock, you read?
Loud and clear, Dagger 1-3.
We're commencing infill now. We'll report once we reach the target location, over.
Understood.
Dagger, NVG's on. Murph, your NVGs. Get them on. Murph, the lock. On me.
All this disorder. We sure the asset's gonna be in one piece when we get there?
12-foot palace walls are a pretty good deterrent.
Pax above, hold your fire. Salim's playing a dangerous game.
All the public knows that his company's at the cutting edge. The serious business happens in private, financing packs, propping up puppet regimes, troop smuggling, you name it.
A real charmer.
Has. About Kincaid. What's the deal? You look like you'd seen a ghost.
You heard of Farouk al-Bashir? Henry Blackburn?
Yeah. There's a whole module on it at the Academy.
Yeah, well, I was part of that operation. JSOC. The plausible deniability kind. Border of Iran and Syria. Clear.
The JSOC mission. What went down?
There was an SAS and Delta joint op, gathering intel on Iranian chemical weapons. Except there was a comm snafu. We got cornered by an IRG battalion and shit went down like you wouldn't believe.
Losses?
Too many. US blamed the UK and vice versa. It was a whole diplomatic clusterfuck.
And Kincaid?
Troop commander of the SAS unit. Dependable. the kind of guy you'd want by your side. He'd seen it all. Iraq, Afghanistan, Bosnia, Northern Ireland.
But?
Listen, Kincaid went back for his troops and he didn't return. I made the call. Contact above.
That's Fisco in Gibraltar. Now we're losing control of Cairo. Makes me nervous.
We can handle a few protests. Look at that rifle in your hand. Your pack's fucking Amata.
It's not the civilians I'm worried about. The generals might have rolled over, but the rest?
Shh. Ahead.
You see anyone outside there with guns? The army won't do shit. Get your head in the game.
Yeah, maybe.
Clear.
Al-Khatib, we're through the sewers. Is your drone up?
Iowa, drone airborne. Confirming visual on you now.
Copy that.
Clear to move.
Dagger, advance.
Patrol incoming, on your right.
Get down. Stay low. Hold your fire. You don't want to start a firefight on the streets. We're good. Move.
So you left Kincaid behind?
He knew the risks, and I had my own team to save. I waited, but... Look, sometimes there are no good options. You get that. Right, Murph?
Yeah. I get it.
عالم مجنون. القاهرة مولعة والمرتزيكا مستنيني أبيع له. عبطة.
Stay low. Pax patrol ahead. Take the next right. One of them is isolated.
They're to engage.
More packs around the corner.
Take him out. Quietly.
Fuck this, though.
Stay alert. More nearby.
4 hostiles blocking your path.
Any way around.
Not this time, my friend.
Dagger. On my mark.
Where the fuck is he? We've got to resume our patrol.
Ready. Now.
Nicely done, cowboys. Clear ahead. Take the left and then turn right.
Cross the road, fast. Do not engage. Al-Khatib, we've got a visual on the palace.
Copy that. Scouting now.
Has. You see what I'm seeing?
Packs are swarming all over this place.
Maybe agency surveillance ain't up to scratch.
It's not the first time they've slipped sack cover.
The wall.
Al-Khatib, we're going over the wall. You see an entry point?
I see an easy climb. Out of sight. Mark down your attack.
Roger, moving.
Got it. I can't risk getting in closer. Pulling the drone away.
Appreciate the escort, Al-Khatib. All right, it's just us now. Let's hustle. Careful. Weapons ready. Take him out. Headlock, copy.
Reading you got it. Status report.
Asset potentially compromised. Packs within the AO.
What's your assessment?
We infill over the compound walls, cut the power, and secure the asset.
Carter, this is Mills. The asset situation is volatile.
How can you be sure, Mills?
You have to trust me like I trust you. Priority is securing the intel. Is that understood?
Roger that.
Bags in the courtyard. What's the play?
We go quiet. Let's head for the breaker. On me. Stay low. Use the shadows. Breaker's down here. Lope, Gecko, cover the entrance. Murph, let's dim the lights.
Copy.
Copy that.
Murph, you're up.
On it. Cutting power in 3, 2...
Weapons free, Dagger. Let's go secure the asset.
Not long before the backup kicked in.
You heard the man, no time to lose. Sweep the building hard and fast.
Shock and fucking awe.
Got a launcher here!
Keep going, don't let up!
Got a grenade launcher here.
Ammo over there. This place is gonna go up in flames.
Along with our asset if we don't push on. This floor's clear. Sweep upstairs. Move!
Better take this.
Start checking rooms. He's gotta be here somewhere.
Weapons free! On me!
Threat neutralized. This room.
Unlock door.
Ready.
Room clear.
Anything?
Nada.
مين هنا؟ مين أخبرته؟
We need to move.
We're compromised.
Nothing changes. Push on. Murph, check the door.
Deadbolt.
Weapons free! On me!
Clear right.
Clear.
Clear left!
Clear. Let's get to work.
Oh, jeez.
Is it our guy?
Yeah. Damn it. It's Salim.
Talk to me, Lopez.
Dude's a mess. I think the gunshot must have hit her artery.
Is he gonna make it?
Guys, we got 4 dead bodies already. We're gonna have 4 more if we don't pick up the pace.
There's nothing I can do for him.
We need that intel. Salim. Mills sent us. We're friendlies.
Mills, she promised me.
I'm sorry. We need that intel.
I trusted her.
The intel, Salim.
Okay, buddy, you are not okay.
What's a holdup, boys?
Salim. Salim.
This day could not get any worse if it tried.
It's the thumb.
What?
He's a tech guru.
Check it.
We're gonna have company real soon.
Yeah. Think we got something.
RFID implant.
Holy smoke.
We need it.
Has.
Murphy, the thumb.
Whatever you're doing, do it fast.
Join the Marines, they said. You'll see the world, they said.
Here we go. Game time, boys.
Sorry, Salim.
Gotta haul ass. Head to the exfil.
Fire spreading. Someone burn.
Enter visibility. Exit through the garden. Drop down there. Let's move. Shotgun here.
Engage! This is it. Towards the garden.
Grenade!
Friendly hit!
Keep pushing.
Marksman eliminated! Whoa! Not going that way. Shotgun is down! Assault rifle, here.
Front, shotgun.
Over here! Out to the garden! More of them! In the garden! Do not get in here! Let's clear this area and book it to the RZ! Copy! Copy!
Copy that.
Exit through the gate in the rear! Push forward! MG down! Shotgun's down! Keep going! Don't let up!
Move now.
I'm out!
Team, you read? Roger, Dagger. Bax's comms are blazing. We're coming out hot. That extraction team ready? Affirmative. En route to the souk. Head to the main event. The market's still the exfil. We stick to the plan.
Bird in the sky.
I see it. Maybe it's problem. Maybe it is. Bird. Take point. Move. Use the buildings as cover. Through here. Move!
Civilians
Enemies up ahead.
Guess not all of them are in the streets.
Yeah, I don't blame him. Guy was on a knife's edge. Keep moving. We've brought enough bad luck to the city tonight.
This op has been so messed up.
We've been dealt shit cards all night. All we can do is play them.
This is Hemlock. Sit rep.
We've secured the intel, moving to the exfil now. Over.
And Salim?
Op went loud. The asset didn't make it.
All that matters is the intel bag at 1-3. Hemlock, out.
That's the tower. We're almost there, Dagger. Nicely done, Murph. This hasn't been easy. We're at the souk.
The van is in position. Signaling my team now. Make it fast.
Hustle.
Take cover!
Engaging! Into the souk! Move!
Hold your ground!
Get on it now! Jump into the souk!
No way through!
Take the left, to the alleyway.
Ammo over there.
I'm moving! Murphy, get moving! Enemy cover!
MG down!
Baby's been shot.
You're gonna need this.
I'm hit!
30 meters!
Weapon track, reloading!
Target acquired.
Ammo over there.
Helos back! Get down!
This way! Through the building! Al-Khatib. The exfil.
The losses will be felt. But we will not lose anyone else today.
Need a new link-up. Moving through the souk. Under heavy fire.
There's the plaza. One quick south.
Plaza. Due south. Move! Ammo crate. Resupply.
Keep moving!
Enemy fighting!
Over there! Knock them out!
Pushing in from the...
Target neutralized! Advance!
Using cover. Spare weapon.
To the right! In here! Fast!
Grab that ammo!
Helo's bugging out.
Finally, some good news.
Exfil's just ahead. Dagger actual on approach. Sit rep Al-Khatib.
En route to pickup.
Hold up there!
Rear!
Talk to me.
Rooftop!
Shit, the intel. Hey, stay back! That's an order! No! Get go!
Hostile down!
Lopez!
Feels like I got hit in the chest by a sledgehammer.
Yeah, well, next time, do as you're told, Marine. Al-Khatib, where the fuck is our exfil?
Closing in, brother.
Gecko, help me with Lopez. Murphy's stick on our six. On your feet, Marine.
Ammo over there.
Contact! Engaging!
Oscar Mike! Stay with me.
You're a lifesaver!
We've got wounded friendlies! They're in cover!
It's there!
Cover me! Reloading!
Set! Keep them up!
Down! Enemy target acquired!
I'm real!
Dagger, we have a problem. Hilo circling back to your position. Find cover.
We gotta move Lopez!
Oh, man!
Incoming!
Move! Get to cover!
It's coming down! Motherfuckers!
Damn close. Anyone hit?
I'm good.
Same here.
Nothing new. Al-Khatib, ETA, 5 mics.
Sniper neutralized!
Engage!
Reloading!
Target down. Front, MG, 40. Fire!
Heavy gunner eliminated!
Reloading! Target down.
gunner down!
Reloading! Ammo over there!
Dagger, gunship's back inbound. Gecko, help me move Lopez now!
Looks like a munition stash here. See if there's something you can use against that helo. Gecko, get Lopez upstairs.
Roger.
Roger that.
Found a launcher. No guidance, though.
Make it work, Murph. Go light that bird up. We're holed up in a two-story building back of the plaza. Get down! Hit it when I draw his fire.
Hit it again!
Contact! Packs entering the plaza. That bird is coming back! Solid hit! Bring it down!
Murphy, Pax is closing in! Far side!
Right on target. The helo's circling back!
Recovery, take your shot! Woo! I got him! Helo's down!
Finally.
Murph, on me! We ain't out of the woods yet!
Covering!
Gecko, we are leaving! Hey, everybody in! Go, go, go! Looks like you're the spark after all, Barzak.
You good, Lopez?
Tell me you still got that intel, Lope. Yeah, I got it. What's next, Has?
That RFID chip files. See what Pax have in store for us next.